Looking for a potting soils? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 potting soils available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect potting soils for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the Fox Farm FX 14053 12-quart Ocean Forest Organic Potting Soil. To begin with, we have got the Fox Farm Organic Potting Soil, which is ideal for containerized plantings, i.e. all the plants that are grown in a container or pot. Mostly, small houses with balcony gardens or small terrace gardens use this soil for the growth of their plants, and the product does quite well with the growth of the plants as well. The soil consists of powerhouse blend of premium earthworm castings, bat guano and Pacific Northwest seagoing fish and crab meal, which makes the soil more fertile. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Hoffman 10404 Organic Cactus and Succulent Soil Mix. Plants like cactus and other succulents require special soil mix for their healthy and quality growth. Also, these plants require better drainage than any other garden plant. That is why they are majorly grown in a pot and not a garden. Hoffman is the best potting soil brand that offer finest soil mixes for all kind of plants. This one, however, is solely for succulents. This one has 50% sand to make the soil fast and draining. Considering the needs of succulents and cactus plant, the soil is mixed with organic materials and thus, the healthy growth of the plant is ensured. At number 3 on our list, we have the Black Gold 1310102 8-quart all-purpose potting soil with control. Black Gold is a great potting soil mix that can be used for all kind of plants in the house. Let us tell you that this one is in small quantity, so you must use it for smaller pots only. But this one is a high-quality mix that comprise of worm castings, pumice, forest humus and Canadian sphagnum peat moss, which makes the soil highly fertile and fructifying. This one contains all the major nutrients that you plant may need at all growth stages. The presence of multi-coat helps in controlling the release of fertilizer in the soil. At number 4 on our list, we have the Big Roots All-Purpose Potting Soil. Big Roots is known for highly fertile and perfect soil mixes for the benefit of your plants. The brand has come up with this amazing new soil that is high in delivering best results. The composition of the soil is done with peat, triple-washed coir, worm casting and compost. In short, the soil is high fertile and ensure best growth of the plants. Other than that, this one is pH adjusted and enriched with mycorrhizae to ensure best root growth and enhance the quality of the plant. At number 5 on our list, we have the Michigan Peat 1225 Bacto Premium Potting Soil. If you are looking for top-rated potting soil, then this one is the perfect fit for your needs. With a highly fertile soil, you can ensure rapid and healthy growth of your plants. This soil mix has got all the essential qualities that you want from the garden or pot soil. This one is ready-to-use soil that you can simply take out of the bag and put in the pot. Since the soil has fertilizers, you don't have to separately bring them and add to it. The slow-release fertilizers give an extra kick to the plants at starting stage. At number 6 on our list, we have the Espoma AP8 8-quart Organic Potting Mix. Espoma AP8 is a good potting soil with a lot of great qualities to ensure healthy plant growth. This one can be used for both indoor and outdoor purposes. Mixed with nutrients, this soil is your plant's best friend as it is infused with various organic materials. With all the necessary ingredients, your plantation will not only grow, but thrive while giving you bumper harvest. Furthermore, the soil mix's Mycotone formula retains sufficient water so that plants get enough moisture that is needed by them and give you best growth. At number 7 on our list, we have the Spongies Potting Soil. Next in our potting soil review, we have got soil mix from Spongies. This one is another highly fertile soil mix that can ensure rapid and fruitful growth of the plants. Basically, this one acts like a sponge that absorbs right balance of nutrients, water, and oxygen to create a soil that has high tendency to grow plants seamlessly. The brand uses natural coconut fibers during the composition of the mix. Basically, the organic and natural fibers safeguard that plant receives sufficient amount of oxygen and prevent rotting. At number 8 on our list, we have the Miracle Grow Potting Mix. Miracle Grow give you this amazing mixture of soil to help you grow plants twice as big from the usual growth of the plants. Also, this soil can feed the plants for up to 6 months. Infused with organic materials and high-quality nutrients for the beautiful and bountiful growth of flowers, vegetables, and plants. Ideally, this soil provide anchorage and support to the roots and also provide great drainage, airflow, and nutrients to ensure healthy growth of the plants. At number 9 on our list, we have the Miracle Grow 70,551,430 all-purpose garden soil. Next in our list is this another soil mix from Miracle Grow. This one has also got finest composition of nutrients that will help in beautiful growth of the plants. The soil ensures perfect balance of moisture, air, and nutrients. This unique formulation has perfect pH level and can be used for any kind of plantation. The composition of this soil is done with Pertl, fertilizers, peat moss that safeguards rich growth of any kind of plant. And finally at number 10 on our list, we have the Organic Harvest Potting Mix Soil. Last in our list is this great soil mix from Organic Harvest which is capable of giving excellent cultivation, especially to the households. This mix is basically the most environment-friendly potting soil. The growth with this soil is very healthy. The lightweight and porous soil helps in excellent penetration of the roots while providing great air circulation and water drainage. The soil is ideal for pot growth because the quantity that is available in each pack is only limited for a pot. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.